Hi friends, my name is Hiba and I'm also known as the Silly Scribbler. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about my newfound love, gouache, and creating a couple of really cheeky and gorgeous boho art. I recently got my first set of gouache from Brustro. The set contains 24 beautiful matte finish paints, 12 ml each. Here I have already created the swatch cards on both white and black paper with two different consistencies. That is the paint taken straight out of the tubes without adding any water, and also by adding one part of water in two parts of paint. These paints work equally good on both light and dark papers. You can use any smooth 180 GSM plus paper for these paints. I had added every art supply that I am using in this video on my Amazon storefront, and the link to my Amazon storefront is in the description below. You can check or buy the art supplies that I am using in this video or any other video, or the art supplies that I used to create the work on my Instagram from that storefront. I will also add the link to my Instagram in the description. You can have a look to my other artworks and give me a follow there if you want to see more such artworks. At first, we will be painting the boho sunset. Here I have already stretched my 200 GSM watercolor paper, which is also from Brustro, with the painter's tape, which is really important step while working with any water-based medium like gouache or watercolors to prevent the paper from buckling. If you will ask me about the most unique characteristic of gouache paints, then I'll tell you that it's the opacity of these paints, which can be reduced by adding more and more water to the paint. These colors are highly pigmented and can be used on their own without adding any water to them, with their smooth and creamy texture straight out of the tubes. Here I am adding a little water to the paint. Commonly gouache comes in tubes. They really come in cakes. I haven't come across any cake gouache. If you know any, please let me know in the comments. And I also want to add that these comments are the only medium of two-way communication between us, and I really want to keep the communication between us alive, as it is very important while teaching anything. So feel free to ask me any art related query in the comments, and also feel free to add any comment of appreciation and leave your tutorial request or feedback there. Gouache paints tend to dry soon after coming out of the tubes, but need not to worry. You can easily reactivate the paint by adding some water and they are good to go. You can take out the gouache paints in an airtight palette where they can stay nice and creamy for about a week. I personally take out paints only as required, little by little at a time. This is an aqua squeeze brush from Brustro. I really love using them as the flow of water is maintained at the paintbrush once you have filled the water in the brush. These are travelers friendly as you don't have to carry water separately. These brushes can't be used as substitute for our natural or synthetic hair brushes, as they are not so flexible because of their nylon bristles, and they also come with limited shapes, the shapes being round and flat only, and the size options are also very less in these brushes. You can see that somewhere I am using these paints in their tube consistency and somewhere I am adding a little amount of water to them. This gives a gorgeous texture to our painting. With gouache, one can easily cover darker color with lighter color, like this diluted skin color is covering the darker brown color. Now, if you don't want even a slight amount of dark color to peep through the lighter one, you can apply a thicker coat of the lighter color or add layers of it. Now I am diluting the dark brown color to a consistency where it gets more translucent and then applying to the painting. Now you don't need to follow exactly how I am doing it. You can freely play with the shades and consistency of the colors and create your own unique piece like I am creating mine. Creativity is really contagious. Let's infect the world with our creativity. I am really grateful for all the social media platforms easily available these days, where we can connect with like minded people and inspire each other to create. Let's grow our creative community by creating something every day and sharing with the world what we had created and how we had created it. And that's the sole purpose of this channel. If you create something inspired by any of my tutorial, do share that with me by tagging me on Instagram. I didn't like this line work, so I'm covering it with the base color in a thicker consistency. Look how forgiving gouache paints are and allow you to cover your mistakes so easily and not discard the entire work done so far. Look how it covers up everything like the mistake was never there. After adding some leaves, I will let the painting dry for a while. Look how the paint is drying in a lovely matte finish. I absolutely loved it. Now I am taking off the masking tape. Another advantage of using the masking tape is that you will get these crisp frame like edges and I love them. Moving to our next art, the boho moon phase. I am mixing the titanium white paint with other paints to get pastel shades. These paints blend perfectly with each other, so you can easily create your own shade by mixing them as per your requirement. The bohemian or boho style is a free-flowing, rule-breaking, personal exotic style of decorating a living space. The warm earthy or pastel shades are the common shades of boho art. Combining and mixing these shades in different patterns and textures is what makes the style unique. Its simplicity is its beauty. And this simplicity inspired me to come out of my floral artworks for a little while and try this beautiful art style. We can also mix these dark shades in the fresh tint shade to get a pastel shade. Like the different phases in lunar cycle, life also has different phases. Every phase is unique. Some phases are lovely. Some phases have some trying times. No matter how difficult a phase seems to be, there is always something to be grateful for in every phase of life. Enjoy every good thing that life offers to you in every phase and keep working on becoming the best version of yourself, even in the times of trial. And do you know that seeds grow in dark? So, when you find yourself in a darker phase of life, keep sowing the seeds of the fruit that you want to reap. And have patience with the seeds that you sow. And know that with time, everything passes. Every difficult situation will pass. And the seeds that you had sown will reap you the fruit. Here I am mixing some pastel shades of yellow for hand lettering. The hand lettering with gouache is really smooth because of its creamy texture. I just load my thin brush with some paint and water and get the lettering going. Do tell me if you loved exploring gouache with me in this video. And also tell me, should I make more videos on exploring the art supplies that I use? With hand lettering, you need to go really slow, lifting your hands, loading your brush with paint, and going really slow to get that smooth transition in your letters. We are done with our second painting of this tutorial as well. I really hope that you had loved it, and if so, give this video a like, share it with your people and let our creative community grow. Subscribe to this channel and keep all your notifications on to never miss a tutorial. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.